I'm discuss very important topic that is called canonical URL. Canonical URL main purpose of indexing your page purpose and the spam purpose. You can skip the spam content purpose. Some people are enter the your domain name when click they can't find out your name will be first name. They can't find out your name will be first name. That main option is called the page have a two URLs. See, index.php and without index.php. Page is one, URL will be two. So which one will be considered? The Google as a considered by no URL. That is called we writing for canonical form in all pages. How many pages you have? Company, services, contact, get code, login, what we do, and about us. So that is purpose. First you can copy the URL, take the notepad. First, how many URLs are there? First you can take the notepad, writing for canonical form. First URL. Second URL. Third URL. Fourth URL. Fifth URL. 6. How many URL only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm writing for canonical one by one. See the syntax. I'm writing syntax. Paste, 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 paste. Copy the URL. Link will be placed. Copy the URL. Link will be placed. Then copy the URL. Link will be placed. Copy the URL. Link will be placed. Copy the URL. Every URL separate canonical URL. Then contact us page, services page, about us, what we do, about, and your home page. This is total your canonical. You can do one by one. Copy this URL where you can submit by cPanel. Go to File Manager, public underscore HTML, index.html, edit. This canonical form will submit on the header tag. Header open and close. Now click for save change. This is the home page. Next one, which page? About.html. How to know page name? Which URL this will be? About.html. Copy the URL. Remove the index.html. Which page will be? About.html. You can check here. Are there? Application. Check. View. So the page will be not there. So other page will be there. Services.html, contact.html. Select. Which one? Contact.html. Right click, edit. Where you can copy paste the code only for header, open and close header. Open and close header. Save changes. Next, which page? Service.html. Close. Services.html. Edit. Again check services. Yeah. Services.html. Go to here. Where you can paste the code? Only header. Paste. Click for change. Now, this update or not my website. How to check? Go to website. Click for services. Control U. Control F. And writing for Canonical. Done. Done this one. Suppose I'm deleted. Suppose I'm deleted. Refresh. Control F. Find out. You can't find out. Now, easily you can find out. Clear? This one. And close by page. Check by what the page is there. What we do .html. Set what we do .html. Yeah. Copy. Right click. Edit. Your task is the code sent to the developer your task. They update by cPanel. Any company update by which one? By developer updating for your cPanel. Header will be here. Paste. Save change. Now go for which one? What we do? Any kind of check the page source. Click for Control U. Any page to check by Control U. Control F. Not updating here. Control F. Then so remaining we have the pending for about page and about us page. About and about us page. We have to check these pages, but it's not showing for in your website. Based on the developer, they're writing the code, so we have to find out and update by the about us page, where they can using by about us page. Just I'm find out in here. The page does not find out. You can find out by above option here. Not found somewhere. Can't find out. But mainly no. About us page is called your home page. No about us page. About is called page your home page. See this one. Home page about us page will be same. So no about us pages. They're only for company page. A company. What is the company page here? For showing for company. You can change it for about. Why this page will be called about.html. The page also your home page. Is it clear? It's a very important thing. So based on your page, they decide by your which one? Canonical URL. I'll give an example. Flipkart.com. Flipkart.com. Control U. So what I'm checking for? Flipkart.com. What is the canonical URL? Flipkart.com only. Control F. So which URL will be? Flipkart. com. I'll open the particular product, mobile, Nokia, open it. I open only for mobile is over the Nokia 5.1 plus white 32 GB. Control U, Control F, see this. Canonical URL, which URL? Flipkart.com slash Nokia 51 plus white 32 GB here. Yes or no? But in a previous canonical URL, which URL? Flipkart.com. Which is the product? The product link is the canonical URL. Which is the content? Same URL to canonical. And remember, contact us page, don't using the home page is the canonical URL. This is the redirecting. That is called redirect. That is mean by both are one page. Suppose home page and contact by using canonical URL same. Google Reader both are one page. Both are one page. Is a spam. The two page considered as a one page. That is the canonical preferred URL. Any content same URL is the canonical URL. It's a very important on particular website for static and dynamic. Dynamic implement by developers, static implement by the system marketing students. There is a syntax. So this will be syntax. Write down this syntax here.